Welcome everyone to another LeetCode Daily. This is problem number 624, maximum distance in arrays. It's a medium problem. It seems to be like in the array category. And without further ado, let's get into it. If you're liking the content, make sure to hit a subscribe or comment what your thoughts are. My solution isn't usually the most efficient, and I do make mistakes from time to time, as I just did. So your feedback would be greatly appreciated. You are given M arrays where each array is sorted in ascending order. You can pick up to 2 integers from 2 different arrays. Each array picks 1. And calculate the distance. We define the distance between 2 integers a and b to be their absolute difference, a minus b. Return the maximum distance. Let's look at an example. We have the arrays, which is a list of lists, and our output should be 4 because if we look at the maximum value from all these arrays, we see it's 5. We see the minimum value from all these arrays, we see it's 1. We return the difference between both of them. To start off, my solutioning would look like such. I would loop through every list in lists and create a new list of lists, one which holds the min of the very first array and the max of the very first array. Beyond that point, I would compare all the minimums together and then all the maximums. Initially, I was thinking about flattening out the array into one array and then finding just the difference between the max of the list and the min of the list. Unfortunately, like I mentioned prior, you can't take 2 integers from the same array, and that wouldn't account for that. So effectively, I'm gonna have to keep track of the min and the max of each array. The max and the min can't be picked from the same array. If both global max and min, then compare max 0 minus min of whatever second minimum, right? Versus max whatever second minus min 0. Okay, the nitty gritty, we can get to it when we are actually typing it out. But in a nutshell, this is a solution, or at least a solutioning that I'm going with. It makes the most sense on paper. Arrays will be sorted in ascending order. Oh, they're sorted for us too. Okay. So for array in arrays, correct? How about we just create a min array and just store all the mins in that, right? And then max array. This is one thing that happens often, where I usually start off with a rough idea and that our idea changes over time. So for array and arrays, min array dot append array of 0, right? Because we know that should be the minimum value because it's sorted in ascending order. And then max, we also know that the arrays must have at least one element. Max of array dot append array of len array minus 1. So we could simply return max of max score array minus min of min underscore array. The one exception case that this doesn't account for is when our min and our max are in the same array. Max val equals max array. Again, that does not give us enough information. For I in range len min array, the reason I'm doing min array and not max is because they both have the same length, because every list must have a min and a max. Let's create a min val and set it to be infinity originally, the max val, and set it to be negative infinity. If min array alright, so I have an array min and I have an array max. These in the same column are all representing values from same array. Okay, I was very much confusing the process, because whenever I pick a second max or a second min, there's no way that that could be in the same list as our first min or our first max. I don't know why I was tripped up about that. Let's go ahead and let's say this is min of min val and max array. This was also meant to be arrays. Okay, so obviously these cases pass. I'm assuming all the cases don't pass. Yeah, like this case for instance. Of 1 equals max val of 1. Return max of max val of 0 minus min sorted min array of len min array minus 2 comma, is that allowed? Can I do that? Min val, nope. Sorted max array wait, the bracket was meant to go there. Sorted max array of len max array minus 2 comma min val of 0. Else we could just return. Oh, I see what's happened here. So I just want the if it's 0, I want the first element. After it's sorted in 0, 1, I want that element. Sweet. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was a useful video. Once again, please do like the video, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.